Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a new goal to the Daylio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the More button down below, then click on Goals. Tap on Create New Goal, then select the area you want to improve. You should select from these additional or these preset goals, but you can also create your own by tapping on the plus icon down below and then enter the goal name, then click on Next. Select an icon, then tap on Next again. Then you should select the number of repetitions you would like to perform this activity. You can also build a strong habit and level up over time, so tap on the select from these options. Then you can also set a reminder, so click on the time button, tap on Done, tap on Start Goal, and basically that's it. If you purchase the premium, you will be able to finalize the process. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.